Welcome to our video on cybersecurity, a crucial topic for protecting your digital life. We'll explore key concepts like phishing, malware, and DDoS attacks, which are common threats in today's online world. We must provide seniors with a solid foundation in cybersecurity principles, including the basics of information security, concepts, network security, and risks. It is very important to recognize and analyze various cyber threats, vulnerabilities, and attacks to be informed and protected. What is cybersecurity? This concept refers to the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks, unauthorized access, or damage. In today's interconnected world where critical infrastructures, personal information, and businesses increasingly rely on digital systems, cybersecurity is essential to ensuring privacy, trust, and the integrity of systems. What is a cyber attack? A cyber attack is an attempt to disable, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to a system. It is mandatory that we stay informed about emerging threats and prioritizing ethical considerations. Seniors can enhance their digital resilience and safeguard sensitive information effectively. Privacy in digital communication refers to the right of individuals to control the collection, use, and dissemination of their personal information transmitted over digital channels. Avoiding unauthorized collection of personal data by third parties, controlling who has access to personal information and how it is shared, ensuring individuals give informed consent before their data is collected or used. Malware is the most common attack, which is malicious software designed to infiltrate or damage a computer system without the user's consent. Some examples would be viruses, worms, ransomware, spyware. DDoS, distributed denial of service, is a type of cyber attack that seeks to overwhelm a targeted system, such as a server, website, or network, by flooding it with a massive amount of traffic. The goal of a DDoS attack is to disrupt the normal functioning of the system, making it unavailable to legitimate users. Phishing is a type of cyber attack where fraudsters send deceptive emails that appear to come from legitimate sources, with the goal of tricking recipients into revealing sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, credit card details, or other personal data. These emails often direct users to fake websites or encourage them to download malicious attachments. A firewall is a cybersecurity tool that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Its primary purpose is to block malicious traffic and unauthorized access. On the other hand, encryption, security method that protects data by converting it into an unreadable code called ciphertext, which can only be decrypted and understood by authorized parties with the correct key. It ensures that sensitive information, whether it's being stored, at rest, or transmitted, in transit, is protected from unauthorized access or tampering. Thirdly, antivirus software is a type of cybersecurity tool designed to detect, prevent, and remove malicious software, malware, from computers and other devices. It plays a crucial role in protecting systems from various cyber threats such as viruses, worms, ransomware, and spyware. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, is a security mechanism that requires users to provide 2 or more verification factors to gain access to an account, system, or application. This added layer of protection goes beyond relying solely on passwords, which can be easily compromised by requiring additional methods of verification. Here are some recommendations for Senieros. Regularly update your operating system, antivirus software, and applications. Security patches fix vulnerabilities that attackers might exploit. Use reputable antivirus software to protect your devices from malware, ransomware, and other threats. Keep it updated and schedule regular scans. Always verify requests for sensitive information by contacting the organization directly through official channels. Remember, continuous education is crucial. Stay informed about the latest cyber threats and best practices to defend against them.